Oh, did you bring her a toy?
You gave her a little cowlick. I'm gonna have to give her a bath after this one.